Well, guys, look what just came in. I got the Treltec Voyager Pro GPS unit. So let's take a look at this, plus a dock and some other mounts. Handlebar mount kit. And then this is the dock, an extra dock actually, because it comes with one. Open this bad boy up. How does it open? Got a card. So you're going to get software updates. That's for your radiator, for temperature. There's the contacts, QR code. Must be one of the ports for something, I'm guessing. Memory card goes in there, SD card. Well, let's continue on. Easiest just to hurt the box. So there you go. Has a connector. That's the magnet for the speed magnet. Yeah, the different magnetic bolts that you can put into your caliper. Treltec sticker. There's the mount. This is what it looks like. This is what the extra one, so if you want it, 9200 dock for the Voyager Pro dock kit. Looks like a bunch of, I think that's the outside temperature port there. I think that's for your external GPS maybe. Oh, there's two of them, so I don't know. Got 1, 2, 3, 4 plugs. I don't know, looks pretty well made. See how that goes in. Do those. Okay, so you push the top up here, and those bottom plunge down. So, there we go. Has a protective film on it, comes with. Probably just leave that on for a while, assuming everything works fine with it on. So, I'll have to get the scale and weight against the Garmin Montana 650. That's the other one I have. Just compare. So about the same thickness. Let's say this mount is thinner, but I don't have it together all the way. So yeah, definitely they did not make it a lot bigger, which this is a good size, I think. Okay, so we'll set that to the side. Handlebar mount. An antenna, it looks like. Yep. So you can have external antenna. Some type of bracket that adjusts. No, oh. Has the bolt pattern of possibly this back here. Not quite sure. Figure it out. Power, I'm thinking. Or possibly power. Couple hose clamps. Probably to mounting on the bar, or oh no, hose clamps are for the thermostat for either side. So when you splice in, that's nice that they provide those. This is your speed sensor for your wheel, magnet in there, and it passes by. It's like, where did I put that bag? Oh, here it is. So it passes by one of these magnets, whatever one you choose, and that's how it reads your speed from the calculation of the size of your wheel. Pretty easy to set it up. I have that on my other Voyager, on the gas. And then of course the directions, which who needs these, right? No, we'll definitely need these just to know all the settings. So, not sure if it was supposed to come with a SD card. I didn't see any, but I have plenty around, so it doesn't really matter. Shows you all the different wires. So you have your, hold that closer. You got the GPS antenna. You got the V2V antenna. So that must be for tracking the riders. You got a wheel sensor, your tach ignition sensor, your power wire, and your engine temperature sensor. Or you don't really, you can just hook up your power wire if you want. So it's up to you how much stuff you hook up. Buying one of these, you're probably going to want to hook as much as it up as you can. Here we go. So that one is the V2V antenna. The vehicle-to-vehicle antenna sends radio signals between your vehicle and other vehicles with the Voyager Pro. It works well and is included in most Voyager Pro kits. It is designed to be mounted to a non-metallic surface like a number plate or shroud, with the ears aimed vertically, up and down. Higher up on the vehicle is better, as the engine and metal panels can block reception. So mount that high like on your number plate. And then that's the standard GPS antenna. Just so you get a little better signal. Doesn't mean this won't get a signal. You'll just get a better signal. So I don't know if this comes charged. Let's go ahead and see what happens. Oh, look at that. Nice color, nice graphics. Excuse my fingerprint already. I want to leave that protective on as long as I can, just to keep it nice. Look at that. Nice layout. I like that. The tach, the room temperature, which it's going to get from there because that's already there. The time, which is an hour behind me. Looks like the battery is charged. And your trip and your miles per hour. Your cluster screen. No, I haven't really read the directions, so I'm just seeing how intuitive it is. Media screen. For playing music. User screen. Map screen. Obviously the most important. Tack bar. Okay. So that's our screens. So press the power button and you got these various options. Let's see. Nope. It's like, oh, okay, so it is also touch. See, I didn't know that. So, okay, let's go back. I can say enable screens, and this is all the various screens you can have come up. You can also do stopwatch and the GPS satellites. That would probably be cool. Probably wouldn't technically use that, but I'll mess around with all the settings because I have the unit. Vehicle profile, so I can set the odometer, what I think it is, how long I've been running, my wheel sensor, all the good settings. Units, what I want to display, that's all correct because I'm in North America. Maps and GPS. So always record 1 second. Let's see what that is. That's the finest detail. I like that. I don't know what auto split is. Let's see if I click up there. Okay, it goes back. The coordinate format. Let's go back. Seems like the touch display works pretty good. We got the Bluetooth, so we can set that up and hook the phone to it or whatever. We'll have to see what you can hook to it, but I'm assuming phone at least. Utilities, software update, all that good stuff. Back down, user manual. Okay, let's check it out. Hello, Venture. Can I arrow down? Can I? Okay, you can scroll. See, I'm learning. I'm so used to controls when I see them. So you can do it either way. If it's not sensing, you can press. Okay, well, that pretty much sums it up for the Trailtech Voyager Pro for right now. I'm gonna assume that, yeah, this seems like another kit for my other bike, and then another dock. So we'll see if I can get this on the gas before I head to Moab in a couple days. I don't know if I will, but definitely if not, when I get back, and I'll be showing you more features and whatnot and how it records, what it records to, what type of files you can use on this, and then just most importantly compare. So far the display on this on the Trailtech is a lot crisper than the Garmin, and my Garmin's pretty beat up, and no, I won't miss that camera. That's the most useless thing on this. And yeah, so follow along to see how the Trailtech Voyager Pro GPS unit and gauge cluster works out. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Have a good one.